No, nope. No, that's, I don't want to hit the stand at mock Jesus. I wasn't asking for you to come off. Bro, who tightened this? Can't say that word on YouTube. Oh my god, I'm gonna need a fucking breaker bar. Jesus Christ. Bro, I have a... Ah, shit. Camera. Phone back in. Do we have... We've got to have a proper hammer somewhere. We do. You want to go use a metal hammer? Ah, fucking yeah. I don't want to have to use a metal hammer. I'm going to keep trying with a mallet. So I really don't want to blow this ratchet to pieces. Ah,